Hazel. Oh! Change over. Argument to buy skid plate. Gunk. What's that, Fox? You said you want a skid plate? I don't know what to tell you, folks. I need a skid plate. So let's get one put on. So yeah, I have definitely lots of reasons to put a skid plate on this bike. I've been in more than one situation where I have been riding through a trail and I can hear things just smashing up against this, thin piece of plastic that's precariously just placed in front of the engine casing, and I'm not a big fan of it. I gotta say, it's held up as far as I know. When we pull it off today, we'll probably find out if there's any real damage in there, but I haven't seen anything. Normally when something comes up and gives me that big gonk factor, I take and stop the bike if it's big enough and I have a look and make sure everything's okay. But I haven't seen anything, so I'm not too worried about it. However, its days are done. We are moving on to more tougher, more durable things. This is an SW Motech skid plate. I picked it up on Fortnite for about a couple $100. The first thing you might be thinking about this skid plate is, I wonder how easy this is gonna go on for Dowski. The thing has got a lot of not so great reviews online. And I'm not talking about reviews as far as rigidity or as far as protection is concerned. It's a nice big piece of metal that I'm gonna stick underneath the engine. So it's gonna do its job regardless as far as that's concerned. However, fitment has been the biggest thing that I've seen online. And I've seen videos with this that have talked about, that have been really easy. People have just taken the old engine guard off and slid this one on no problem. And then I've seen others that have had to drill holes, pry with pry bars, use all sorts of crazy manner of invention and MacGyvering to get this on here. This is either gonna go really well or this is gonna be a pain in the neck. Stay tuned to find out more, I guess. But you know what, I'm gonna stay positive. I think it's gonna go well. Maybe I'll eat my words a little bit later, but let's hope for the best. Anyway, let's get this off, let's get this on, and get some more protection on the Silver Fox here. All right, step number one, let's see about getting this guy off. Aha. That's a lot of red mud, and that's a lot of damage. Look at this. This whole end is just like completely, the area where it mounts, I thought it was a little loose coming off, but definitely it was. This is just busted up on both ends. Lots of dings and scratches on this one, so it definitely did the job, but you know what? I don't think it was gonna be doing it for much longer. Instructions are pretty straightforward. I don't think I need anything from this, so good night. So now that I've got that old skid plate out of the way, it's time to get this new one ready. The first step we're gonna do is we're gonna seat these rubber grommets in each one of these areas, and then we're gonna put in this, this threaded section here, I guess, or this little spacer in between. I'm not sure what it is, but it's something, it's got to go in there, so let's get it in there. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to use these spacers. We'll put them in between here, and we got our bolt and our washer, and we'll begin the install. Now, what I'm going to do with this, as far as installing it's concerned, is I'm going to kind of do a star pattern. So when I put it in, I'm going to use this one here, and then I'm going to move up to this one. Then I'm going to position it so I can get these two in next, and we'll see how that goes. This will be the real true tail of the tape here. We'll see how this works. It's not great. All right, this is starting to prove to be a bit of a pain. It's on the first one because that's easy, but this one here is just, it's a ways back. So we're gonna see about pulling it around and see what we can do with this. Wait, I think I got it. That's not it. Dang. Oh, brutal. All right, new strategy. We're gonna try to tie up the front two. We'll go off that one I've got over there, and then we'll go on this one here and see if I can get some leverage off those. It's like right far apart, man. Like, I don't know if you can see how far apart this is, but like, it's far apart. Oof. Maybe if I loosen it up over here. I probably have this too tight on one side. No, that makes no difference. Well, no, I think it made a difference. I think it made a little bit of a difference. Ooh, now we're talking. Oh, brutal. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Jeez. All right. I can do it. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. It's so hard to tell if you have any bite. I think I got it. I don't got it. Damn. Come on, baby. All right. All right. Strategy number 3. I've got it zip tied up into place in the bottom there to kind of move it into position. And over here, the idea is still going to be to yank on it with that strap. Stay tuned. Not easy. Not easy. I think I got it. I think I got it. Hang tight. All right. Oh, so close. All right. That tells me we can get it. That tells me we can get it. Your days are numbered now, bud. Oh, I got it that time. We got it. That's in there. All right, we can just drive it home now. Good Lord, folks. This is not easy. This is not easy. Oh, I got it. Hang tight. All right. Oh, man. 2 out of 3. We are almost there. Oh, my God. I can't believe how accurate the reviews online are for this thing. Oh, it's good and cold right there, boys. All right, let's get this final one in here. So, I don't know if you've been following along, but I ditched the spacers. I can't even right now. It's like right there. It's literally right there. So one of the things with this is that on these sections it has a little bit of a wiggle room, so you do have the ability to kind of, pry it down. Do you see that? So I'm trying to use that to my advantage to get me some more space on either end. It worked for the last one really good. Got him. That's got to be it. That's got to be it. Oh man, I can feel it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Holy smokes. No need to worry about Loctite on this one, folks. Ah, jeepers. All right, so what did we learn today? We learned that the reviews online for the SW Motech skid plate are 110% accurate. They are super accurate. Holy smokes, that thing does not fit this bike. It does now because I made it. It's crazy. This is crazy. I've never seen mounting holes be off by an entire inch. I don't even know how I managed to get it bolted on. Like okay, so I didn't have to bend, I didn't have to drill, I didn't have to hammer. I just had to pull. So here were the strategies. I took this. I'm like, oh, I'm out of it. I can't even think right now. I can't even right now. Like, so I would grab on and I would pull and I would put the thing in, and wow, okay. So we got a skid plate now. A1, awesome. It works. Does it? Yep, okay, cool. Have a great one. Till the next one, fellow island riders. See ya. Jeez. Where's the beer, man? Holy.